Hi everybody. In this video with the Singer 500, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the faceplate here. And there's two things that are going to have to be removed or released in order for that to happen. The first thing is the stitch regulating lever. We've done that 3 or 4 times in the last 7 or 8 videos. And what was never clear, there's this screw here. And that screw was a little bit of an enigma for me, and I'll tell you why. And this is what I wanted to show you about how and why. So here's the other side of the screw right here. Here's the shank or the post or whatever. And then there's this other little device that has an end. It looks like a small spool. This would be the bottom of the spool and that would be the top. But up here is a screw. So, and the other thing I want to let you know or explain to you, because I wasn't quite clear on this screw that goes in here, which we'll take out in a minute, it is only threaded very little right at the top near, just below the slot on the shank, on the stud. So, and the screw, it actually screws into the frame of the sewing machine, the body of the sewing machine. It does not screw into that. So in order to remove that screw, first this one has to come off, or it has to come off. It doesn't have to be first, but it does have to come off. Did I get it? I think I might have. So that's gone now, and this should come off like that. So now that's off, and now it's just a simple matter of unscrewing that screw. So let me do that. Undo the screw. There. Okay, there, now I can use my hand. So that's out of there. And then it's a matter of removing that lever. Maybe I can take it off just... No, I can't because I've tried it before. And it won't work, will it? So all I gotta do is line you up a little, see what I'm on about. And I'm undoing the screw in there. There. So now all that stuff is out. And I'm going to put that screw back in there right now so that I know where it is. So now I'm going to be able to clean on the inside of the faceplate because it's grimy, and also on the frame, on the main frame where it's all grimy, where that was before. And that was something that I hadn't been able to do yet, and it was really disturbing me that I knew there was that mess under those things. So I hope that clears it up for you if it was indeed not obvious. And I'm sure there's maybe a couple people like me that didn't see it all that obvious initially. But still having a lot of fun working on this really nice clean machine, except for that little bit of dirt there, a little grime there. And so I hope you're having fun with your machines and your sewing and all that, and do take care of yourselves. I am gonna get working right away on the next video, which will be all about putting the followers and indicator pins and the stitch control shaft, the cam shaft control lever and all that. So, but anyway, hope you're having a great summer. Take care, have fun, talk to you soon. Ciao, amigos.